People, how are you? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. If you remember, or if you saw it a couple weeks ago, a little over a week ago, I was tumbling some crystals, some quartz crystals, and there's a four-part stage of tumbling these stones. So I have finished the last stage, which is the polishing stage. There was a coarse stage, I forgot the second stage, then a pre-polish, and then now the last stage was the polishing stage. Each stage was to take place for 7 days. That's a lot of time. That's 28 days to polish rocks, crystals, stones. The first 3 stages, I did them for only 4 days each. This last stage, I did let it go the full 7 days. So I'm anxious to open this up and see if they're polished or what these crystals look like. Now, I failed to show you in the beginning because I put all the crystals into the tumbler, and this is what the tumbler looks like. I failed to show you the quartz crystals beforehand. My dear friend, Sheena, she's an artist as well, lives out in the country. She gifted me these crystals. Well, I put them all in a tumbler, right? Not thinking to keep some raw. Visited her yesterday with my friend Timma. We were out there because she makes these delicious soul rolls. I'll tell you about that another time. But we were out there for quite some time, spending time with her, and she gave me some more. I only asked her to take a picture of the raw crystals for this video because I failed to take the picture. She gave me more. So this is what the raw crystals look like, and they are beautiful. They are absolutely beautiful, but I wanted to tumble them, not meaning to put all of them in the darn tumbler like I did. But anywho, she gave me more. Bless her, sweetheart. She's such a giver. Love her, love her, love her. So that's enough babbling. I set the scene. Let me show you. Let's get this tumbler open and see what they're looking like. Take the camera down. Hold on a second. Okay, let's get it open. It's pretty hard to open, so I'll bring a knife out here with me. Something to stick in this edge. My neighbor's out in his backyard. I don't know if you hear him or not. I don't know if he's on the phone or talking to someone, but maybe you don't hear him. Okay, so you unscrew it, then you got to get this top off, which is, they have this lip here that you can pull, but it is so difficult. Let's see if I can do it. Maybe I wasn't strong enough that day. Almost. And it's milky white in here. Oh, I see it. Let me just stick that knife in there and help it out. There we go. So that's that. It's called silicon carbide. Silicon carbide is what you use. So this polishing stage, look at that. Wow. Never pour it down your sink. They said to pour it outside somewhere. So we're going to pour it in here and pour it out in this raggedy grass. Can you see that? Where we're at? Milky white. Milky white. All right. I need to adjust this camera so you can see what I'm doing. So I have some water, and we're going to rinse these off. See what we have. I put all the crystals. You see all those crystals I put in there? So they don't have any edges or anything. They're just smooth. Okay. Someone mentioned it looks like ice. So this is what they're looking like now. Let me take a couple out and let's just see. Yep. They're very, very smooth. So nothing like, let's compare. So this was a large one. As you can see, this was one of the larger ones. Let's compare it. You see the difference with the raw crystal and the polished crystal. It still looks a little milky to me. So I am gonna rinse them under the sink once I finish this video. And I wanted to use this in some mixed media art. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet, but I definitely wanted to see what polishing these crystals would do and what they would look like. And so here you have it. And there's the comparison. Big difference. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Create something. Create, create, create. See what you can make. Peace and love. We'll see ya. Toodles. Be good. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.